is Mikey bad? I thought he was like.
Alright, guys. On the count of 3, everyone say the most offensive word you possibly can think of.
No!
I hate the cheating speedrunners! I hate the cheating
I don't
speedrunners!
save my VODs anyway, but no.
I hate cheating speedrunners.
I also hate cheating
Then
speedrunners.
they be
How
I
dare
also
you
hate
that
cheating
Geo a
speedrunners.
raid? You're
they
gatekeeping
use
3
the
other
out of
people from
bounds
getting
and the
loot.
eager edge in that cheating shatter skating.
How dare you
that
trigger a
I have a
raid?
clip
You're
of an LFG
gatekeeping
calling Eager
other
Esper's Edge.
people from getting loot.
I don't know
Eager's
what they were
engines.
thinking.
Eager's
I almost got
engines.
kicked from an LFG for sparrowflying once.
Oh my.
I was accused of net
Are you-
running for wall skating. That was kind of cool too. I think I told
I,
this
I don't
story
get
before.
accused from. I just get banned. Or I just get kicked from runs.
Alright,
I got
guys.
kicked one time because I said the right thing. Because they were spreading misinformation.
Oh, I think
And
you
I
told
said
us
no.
about
Is
this.
it because the vibes were off?
The
The
vibes
vibes
were
were
Oh
off.
off.
my
The
god,
all
that
vibes.
that clip has to be the best LFG clip of all time. Okay,
Wait, what?
so we did it. Okay, so me and Around were doing Vow. I was farming like Titan armor or something, right? We were doing Vow LPs, and this guy joins. He's like, "Hey, can we do red chest?" And I was like, "I'm not doing it, but if you want to do it, you can do it."
Uh-huh.
And then he's like, "All right."
Well,
So then
he waits like 30 seconds.
We wait 30 seconds. He waited 30 seconds, so we killed the 7 in the beginning. He's like, "Yeah, guys, I don't really like the vibes here. The vibes are off." He just left.
The vibes
Like,
were off.
It's like, bro. The
The
vibes were off, bro.
The vibes were off.
The vibes,
That
guys.
happened in another run because these guys were like yelling for like hours or for like an hour in a Vow run because I was muted. So I unmuted and I was like, "I don't really need to talk to you," and I muted again. And he's like, "Sorry, bro. The vibes are off with you."
That's
And
a
then
little goofy.
half of them left, and I was like, "Okay, bro."
I've never been kicked from an LFG because usually I'm
You
like
can see that.
nice.
Round, I gotta show you a DM after we get to security.
Linko, you're
the
goofy.
vibes are off.
Where is that music coming from?
General.
Am I
Where's
hearing
what?
things?
Where's what music
Oh
coming
my god,
from?
it's a
music.
fucking. There was a YouTube short that just started playing randomly in the background. I
Oh
got
my
so,
god.
I got so fucking
It's a
scared.
good song at least.
No, it's funk music. I got so fucking scared.
Oh, the vlog music?
Funk, like that shitty like.
Vlog,
Sigma-
like VOG? Like the
no,
raid?
like no,
Like
the
vlog.
Sigma,
Vlog.
the Sigma edit TikTok music.
Oh, dude, it's like
Oh,
vlog.
so that's still vlog.
PHONK.
Dude, I think you're talking about the vlog, like the
Oh,
raid.
ow. Not sure how I didn't die there.
I don't know. I
Here.
thought I was having an outburst.
Imagine
I'm like,
Steelish doing an entry.
bro, I thought I was having a fucking.
Wait, let me change this real quick.
Bro, I thought I was having a schizo break again, and I'm like, oh shit. I'm so mad.
Hey,
So
alright.
anyways, come through the door really quick.
She
It's like
doesn't
one
need to
time-
do that. I've already done that for her.
It
Ow.
was.
You know what, guys? I think I know what happened last run. When I failed Breach, that's when we knew the run was washed.
Oh,
I had-
true.
So I had a one time when I was doing what was it? It was Festival of the Lost, and I was sitting in the tower, and it was like 3 in the morning, and I thought there were coyotes outside my window because there was an ambient effect when talking to Banshee, and I hid in like a bathroom for like 20 minutes.
What?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I just realized since now I'm streaming, I may at some point in time have to server deafen a couple people in this voice chat.
Oh,
Why?
Oh dear god!
I
Why?
won't say anything.
Uh...
Okay, guys. One sec. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go,
I'm
go,
not
go.
gonna do it, Danny. I'm not gonna do it.
Dark 3.
Okay.
Hold on. D13, L25.
Solemn. D13L25. Okay. Solemn is playing psychological warfare right now, and I don't like it.
What is it saying?
For the followers walker. Huh?
What is happening?
Why is my name still Reese Walker?
Because why not? 2-5.
Oh, you're getting hit. You
I
should
know.
die.
You should die.
You should die.
What? What? Wait a minute.
That's what she said.
That's not what's in the dock.
Light middle, light middle.
Oh yeah, you're not allowed to die in the dock.
You're not allowed to die in
Dark
the dark.
right, dark right.
That wasn't in the dock.
Dark middle. Dark left. Light right.
Okay.
Honk.
Light left.
You have to say last.
Last.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, come on, you didn't read the doc.
Light left, where'd it go?
That wasn't in the dock.
I spelled it wrong.
The Devok.
Wait,
The
light
dog.
left? Where'd it go?
That wasn't in the
Google.
dock, guys.
The Dov. Google Dov.
I don't think light leaving was
Oh
in the dock.
god.
I don't think
Solemn.
misspelling callouts
Solemn.
was in the doc either.
Solemn don't.
I misspelled
Don't
my
do it.
name. It's Izanagi isn't even spelled
I'm
right.
assuming
What is this solemn individual doing?
Huh?
What is this solemn individual doing?
He's committing terrorism.
I see.
Why?
Yeah.
That seems.
That's
a little
my
silly.
job.
What are they trying to ask?
He has channel point redeem, and
Oh,
he's
oh.
terrorizing me right now.
Who will?
You're getting wolf emojis. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
God damn it! Oh no!
Did they actually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you're not
Oh
allowed
just
to do that.
for fun,
No, you can't.
Just for
I'm
fun.
sorry.
Damn.
I'm ruling it
Hold
out.
on.
You're not allowed to do that.
Your points stolen.
Hold on, no, hold
Just
on,
for fun. That
hold on. I'm not. Hold
Why
on.
don't you
You're,
just deafen?
you are actually not allowed to do it. In the
knowing them, they
chat,
might just refund
Why?
it themselves.
because I said so.
What did I miss
Did you
out
just-
on? I just came
Wait,
back.
did you refund yourself, Solemn?
Guys, you have 5 seconds before I start.
Oh.
5,
Oh, uh-oh.
4.
Okay, hold on. I'll do it. I'll do it after. Hold on. God damn it! I hate you.
You have to do an ooh voice.
Are you allowed to do it for the doc?
Me?
Yeah,
What?
is it in the dock?
It is in the dock.
Is
it
it
in
the
the dock?
ooh in the dock?
Actually, yeah, let me read. Yeah, it's in the dock. You gotta do it.
Alright, cool.
Oh, it's in the doc. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
it's
No,
it's
over
if I
for me.
redeem Solemn, if I redeem, it doesn't count because I can just redeem it as many times as I want to.
Yeah, if it was in the doc, it is over
You
for
do
you.
have
I'm gonna be
infinite
100.
points when you.
I
Yeah,
will
that's
do the noise in a second. Don't worry about it.
There are children in this voice call.
That's
Okay.
not true.
And
Oh no, I just wanted to say that.
Who's a child in this PC?
okay.
All of you.
I love how saying ooh woo is predatory.
Actually, it is.
Yeah,
I said
around
Is it?
is like 17, right?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, right?
I'm
Yeah.
gonna do it during jumping puzzle because focus.
Does doing the voice in the jumping puzzle help you focus?
No,
Is it in
it
the
helps
dock?
me focus
Depends on-
here
depends
because
on
I'm not
me.
doing it here.
Depends on me.
Hold on, I'm
Isn't-
killing mid servitor.
Is
Okay.
it in
In the doorway.
dock?
No one picked it up.
That wasn't in the
Yeah.
dock.
Shadow
Well,
will.
Yeah.
Where is? Oh, I see it.
It's in the doorway. I called it out already. You should have known.
Guys,
I'm not
guys,
listening.
guys, guys. I was too focused on Solemn being a bitch.
Right side, right side.
And you're on well.
3, 2, 1, hit.
Yeah. Not
Oh,
good.
that's.
Yeah.
It's
That's
fine.
what I was
Give
talking
me
about.
this.
That
It's
wasn't in.
That was not in the dock.
Thank you.
It's like a 10. That's like a 20-second time loss. How dare you?
Yeah, everyone
I was
type
too
TS.
focused on Solemn being a bitch.
Everyone type TL in chat.
Oh,
Yeah, we're actually
real.
about to.
Where?
It's close right, close right. Hit it.
You just hit it. There's no way. Okay.
We got
I
it.
was gonna say, bro.
Please let me get the close. Oh wait, there's this one here.
There's like 3
At
times.
everyone.
At everyone.
At
forgot the pop.
everyone.
I'm going
in
to server defen
Melody's
so many.
stream.
God damn it.
Where is everyone? Give. Where?
It is bottom right. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, hit.
I love that for me.
Where?
There.
Okay.
What's your ammo on a scale of yes to no?
Fucking more.
No.
No? Okay. So you don't need ammo.
I do, yes, it's yes.
Okay, so it's no. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Hold on.
So, Solemn, just for you, I'm going to do this.
Oh, the
Aw.
Defen.
Oh
And
man.
now I want to kill
1984.
myself.
1984.
1984.
Hi,
1984.
someone clip it and post it in the Discord.
I hate you.
Please.
Don't do that. Please
Oh my,
do not do that.
It's user restricted. I cannot even clip it.
Wait, hold on. I could
What?
probably do it if I. Open
Yeah!
Oh, yeah,
I
you gotta clip
hate
it.
you.
But I'm not
Okay,
going to
but if
clip
you're gonna
it.
clip it and post it in the
That's
Discord,
not
you
the
also
right
have to
gift.
soundboard it.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing that. You asked me not to.
No, I want you to soundboard it.
Why?
I want to soundboard it, so I want you to soundboard it.
That's kind of silly. You're kind of silly.
Okay,
You know
get the
that?
yeah, get the
I.
world's first Meow Raid soundboard.
Oh my. That would be pretty silly. Is if it was the world's first Meow Raid soundboard.
We need to
Yeah.
make the fucking. We need to make the banner the stupid wishwall gif.
I have to like clip. That's
The
crazy.
wish wall.
Yes.
The wish wall's at 3.
I love the wishball gift.
Just divinity background. We need that.
Dude, we do.
Wait, do I have a server boost? Can I boost me?
No, we're max boost. We're max boost.
Oh, we're max.
You should still boost anyways, honestly.
I should still boost, just cause like.
Just cause it's
No,
easy.
I don't have a server boost.
I can't boost. I have
What
to
what
like
servers
boost
are you currently
myself.
boosting? Unboost them and boost.
Get
Meow
D2
raids.
PCLFG so I can post
Dude,
GIF into
Dude,
general.
what?
What? Why would you give player 1 money?
Yeah, why would
No,
you
it's
give
just
player
it's
one
just
money?
so I can post the overlobe emoji into general.
It's the overlobe.
The
Oh, I
overloop.
love overlobe.
That sounds like
Overlobe.
that sounds like a part of the ear.
Real?
Yeah, do you want you are you aware of overlobe?
Yeah, I'm sorry
Yeah,
for
dude, I
throwing
know what
Atrax,
overload-
guys.
I don't know.
I
don't
love
know.
look, it's over. I love overlobe.
I love Overload. That
You
is a
love
little bit
overloading?
silly.
I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't
Um,
expecting that.
No, the
Wait,
best
what?
part is that there's a server with 50 of these, and all 50 emoji slots are taken up by the same image.
Oh my god.
Dude, I should do that for my private server with just cat. The one like the cat
Oh.
gifs that I have, you know,
El
the meow.
Gato.
Yeah.
Gimme, soundboard it.
Soundboard what?
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
You have to, yeah. So what do we got? What do you got soundboard? I'll soundboard it. You just gotta tell me what the soundboard. You know.
There's a clip that exists at the moment.
Oh,
This
I don't have
I'm
it.
not. I don't have any channels open right now. I'm
This
just.
takes up all
Okay.
My
the-
Discord is open on the voice chat.
Yeah, Solemn posted the link. I can post it.
Here, I can post it in general. I got you. It's in general. What? Ramshackle! Oh
It's in
god.
general.
Yeah, it's in general.
Alright.
I
So I'll
will use on
Yes! Minotaur
see.
Cyclops.
Minotaur hat.
Oh, melodic void clip. Oh my. I wonder what that is.
I love it. I love trauma due to terrorism.
I'll open that clip after this. After.
I like the 1984s after, just the collective
Yeah.
1984, 1984.
I just started
Yeah,
yelling
yeah. You
1984.
see,
it
you
was
know, all you
1984.
guys are just trying to be like me. You know, I said it first, but like.
No, I
you
said
know.
it first.
I said it.
Actually-
I'm really the one who said it first.
I'm George Orwell. I am George Orwell
wrote the
himself.
No, you're
back
not.
from
You're
the
you're Ribber.
I'm
You are
George
Ribber.
Orwell's
Shut
father.
up, please shut
You
up.
are you are Ribber, little bro.
No.
Alright,
you-
guys. Is everyone
Ribber,
ready?
little bro.
Alright, rib.
If you say
Go.
that one more time, I'm just gonna like.
Are you ready?
Rib report.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm
I'm
ready.
assuming,
Hold on, I just had to say something real quick.
I
Sorry.
forgot I was on push to talk. Still got 10.3 thousand.
The
Okay,
more
please
you
save those.
say it, I will just come to your house and kill you.
I will not refund them, and you will waste them. Save them, please.
I mean, that just speeds up the inevitable, little bro. Ribber,
If you say it one more time, I will eat you.
Ribber.
That's
Sorry.
Stop it.
It's not okay to
Stop.
eat people. You know that?
Yeah, it's
Guys,
1984.
cannibalism is really cool, guys.
1984.
What are you
You
talking about?
captured
Wait, wait, did you say cataclysm? Like
Cannibalism.
Root of Nightmares, Root of Nightmares, Final Encounter, and also
I
the
hate
weird
you.
fusion from Vow! Cataclysmic.
Okay, guys, actually shut up now.
Yeah.
I'll stay on this side. You guys can hold hands over there.
Yeah.
You don't seem too enthusiastic about that.
Yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you not want to hold hands?
Deep stone. Yeah. Woo woo. Deep stone. Yeah. Woo. I love deep stone.
Top left.
Yippee.
Catch.
Suppress. Thank you. Love ya.
What the?
I love you more.
Or not.
Wait.
Guys, this is not what's in the dock.
Gay people
Oh, yeah.
are not allowed to
We're
talk.
not gonna have a threesome in the dock.
I don't think that was
I
in the
don't see
dock.
any spawn trapping.
Oh, dude, sorry, my bad. I don't.
Me when I
Someone's not
steal
using
all
someone's
of
not using anarchy.
Glory. What?
Wait, what did you just say? Hold on. What?
Me when I steal all of Sadface's glory.
You didn't steal anything from me.
Yes, I did. I stole everything from you.
Okay,
Name
both
one
of you
thing you
guys are
stole
on that
from me.
side. Both of you guys are on that.
All of your mortal possessions are now mine.
You want my cancer?
Sure, I'll take it. Just for you, bestie.
You want my
What is it
schizophrenia?
called?
Top
What is it
left.
called? Okay.
Top left.
Ah,
Your ass is not getting a healing nade, by the way.
It's
what the
okay.
fuck?
You better be ready to play so well then. It's also
It's
me.
I just have a.
I
the
dove
die.
on you. How
Uh-oh.
dare you run away?
It's completely
that.
sunny out. It's completely sunny out and there's lightning. I love
You're
weather.
going to die.
You live in Florida?
No, I live in Canada.
You're going
Oh,
to
well
die.
then you live in like fucking.
Oh, the concerning.
The apocalypse is coming and you're gonna be the first victim. You're not safe. Lock your doors. They're coming.
They're coming.
Yeah. I'm actually coming to your house like
Welcome
within the
to
next
the
30
cum
seconds.
zone.
Oh, damn! Finally.
Wait, you want me at your house?
I want someone.
Damn, that's deep.
Damn.
Dang.
I need to be over here.
Sounds like a you problem.
It's not. Is it not?
Bottom left. Bottom left.
Okay.
Suppress.
Okay, wait. That's just calling out the one that it's not is so much smarter than just calling out all three. I don't know why. When I
Wait, what? People don't do that?
Some people don't.
I have only ever done that.
They are skinwalkers.
These stupid idiots like Koichi.
Like John Ferguson.
Yeah, I'm going to kill John Ferguson. I'm going to shoot him.
Kill John Lennon.
That's literally what he
That's
did the
both on
first
this
time.
side, both on this side. One of you guys needs to
Yeah.
come over.
At Melody. At Melody.
Okay.
I'm pinging you. I'm pinging you. I'm pinging you.
Okay.
At Melody.
3.
Did you get my
2.
ping?
Bottom right.
Okay.
Why did John Ferguson mute you?
Why
I don't
did
know.
John Ferguson
He's so
do
mean.
that?
Suppress again.
He's so loud.
He's so mean to me, I know. All I did was...
What did you do?
Oh my
I didn't
god.
do anything.
Jesus Christ, I'm
I
bad.
was trying to think of something that I did, but I just didn't do anything. He just
I
randomly
definitely-
muted me during security.
And did I fall asleep during security or Atrax?
You fell asleep like
Guys fell
before we
asleep
started
during a
security.
No.
No,
No, I
Koichi
was-
did, because he was too busy eating his ice cream.
Yeah.
No.
Koichi.
I mean, ice cream is more worth it.
That drumstick was fire.
Yeah, but he fell asleep with the ice cream in his hand and it melted all over his clothes.
Yeah,
Eat your
actually.
clothes. That's a simple solution.
Probably
Eat your
not.
clothes.
No, that didn't actually happen, but like,
I was
Yeah,
just
it's
lying.
yeah, that was just lies.
No,
But like,
yeah,
I swear it happened.
It actually
I would-
happened.
I was thinking, no, you made me think. I was like, wait, did that happen?
Alright, I'll go over here. You know the rule. You guys get to hold hands again.
Yay.
Yeah.
I have to give you your space, you know? I'm just a third wheel in this bitch.
So true, bestie.
Someone like Sneeko.
Nah,
Really?
bro. Do not call me
Top
Sneeko.
right. Top right.
Eco? That's crazy.
I am not Sneeko.
Crazy. I was crazy once. They put me in a womb. A rubber
A
womb.
wubba woo. A wubba
There
woo.
was-
They've put me in there a few times.
Yeah, they
I
can't
actually-
keep you contained
I
for
was
long.
actually in there for a while.
I've been in there for like I think a year of my life.
They think they can keep me contained.
There was no
It is
wats,
only
but it was
a
just a big
crime.
wubba womb.
It is, yes. It is
Also,
only a
one of you
crime
should
to
dunk
say more
the
about
buff.
it.
Oh. Oops.
They couldn't contain me.
Oopsie.
They couldn't contain me, which was a good thing.
Surely that worked.
There we go.
Right, that worked.
Guys, sorry, why is no one grabbed the operator yet?
Parzi.
That's right.
Titan 1 should have been grabbing it by now.
Tight.
That's you, actually.
What's it called?
Top right.
Hey guys, I'm gonna need some hackware.
God, I hate
Guys,
deeps.
give me some comms.
Hey, beat
I want those. Not bad.
Can anybody here do a Joe Swanson impression from Family Guy?
Hey,
Who's that?
Peter.
Hey, Pete!
They locked me in a room.
Yeah.
A rubber room. A rubber
I'm
room with
brewing
rats.
up the new greatest dock
Rats
of all
made me
time,
crazy.
or the new
I was crazy
fastest
one.
raid.
Alright.
It's like it's like for raids, but it's like inspiration from the Eternity
Rats make me
Ghost
crazy.
stock.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
inspiration
yeah,
from
yeah, with every single boss.
It's inspiration from That's what you sound like, bro.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, I got a super. Here you go. I need to read
Well.
the DM.
You do not want to go to the room. It's horrible.
Not
What's a
hype.
They put me
No,
in
it's
a
not.
room.
No, it is not.
A rubber room
No.
with rats.
You have
bro,
not been
they
put
give
in
you
there
the
for
pill,
like
they give
5
you the
months.
pill.
That you have not been put in there for 5 months at a time. It's horrible.
They give you the
I was-
pill.
I
Like
was-
that? What are you talking
I
about?
wasn't. I was in the Wubba Womb with Wats, but like without the Wats, and I was able to move around.
Yeah, I was in a
crazy one.
I was not.
in like I was in a weird room when I was getting like so
Guys,
They were not.
guys.
They did not allow me to leave or move. I was too much of a risk. I
My
guess.
chat is now silly.
Why?
Why?
I was crazy once. They putting me in a room, a rubber room, a rubber room with rats. The rats made me crazy. I was crazy once.
So was
Oh.
I.
That's
I
crazy.
think we all got a little bit of crazy in us, you know.
Alright, you guys ready?
No.
Crazy at Deepstone.
We are pretty crazy at Deepstone.
Maybe when Yeah.
Alright, so now we
No,
just
okay.
pray. Okay, guys,
Oh
we
my
pray
God, guys.
to Allah
That I don't suck at the game.
I
not
opened
just
up
that,
YouTube
but also
Shorts
that
and I immediately saw
suppress
homophobia.
works and
That's
that
awesome.
everything actually works. Alright, we ready?
Give me like
Melody.
a couple more seconds.
Time lossing my
Alright, 3,
run.
2, 1,
Good.
go.
Time lossing. Time lossing.
Good. I'm good.
Go, 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 go,
Oh.
go, 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 go.
I said a couple seconds.
Yeah, but you took longer than a couple.
I did
Because
not.
you
I said I was ready, and you just kept counting.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
What would Joe
Nuh-uh.
Biden think of this guy?
Uh-huh.
What would
Joe
Joe
Biden
Biden
would he would think Minnesota.
Oh, I love that clip.
Soda!
Minnesota!
Soda!
Minnesota.
North Carolina! Virginia! Minnesota!
The joke. I want
It's
the
4. Okay, guys, it's
Yeah,
4-1.
4-1, 4-1.
I go 4.
Oh god. We don't talk about what almost just occurred.
I have to wait here. Thanks. What do you almost do?
We don't talk about it.
4.
What just
I'm
thinking
happened?
that just occurred. Wait, are you? Oh wait,
What?
no, it didn't. Okay, it's 1. Grab. It's
Yeah.
1.
I'm trying to.
You should not have dunked that. You should have let her grab. But
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
it's
Pause it.
5. It's 4-5.
I'm deactivated, putting in.
Alright, we're gonna have to delay a bit, probably. Yeah, we are.
4-5, so it's going to spawn. Right.
He's right there.
He's angry.
He's pretty angry with you, Sad.
I know. It's okay. We need to clear orange anyway. Alright,
Let's
we're
just
gonna wait a lot. We're gonna wait a lot.
What are you at right now?
We'll shoot at 6.
18?
We're gonna shoot at
Oh,
6. Yeah, we're gonna shoot at 6.
okay.
It's very important that we shoot at 6. But like, you can grab your
7,
augment whenever you can. 1,
6, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot. Please, thank you. I'm going to 5.
What was the other one?
4. Shoot me.
Okay. 3, 4, 5.
Please tell me. Oh, I'm
6,
deactivated. It's okay.
7.
Let me in. Hit it. What am I going to? 5?
4.
4.
4.
4.
Okay, just kill the ads.
Kill the ads. Jeez, I almost shit myself because my tractor didn't proc. I was like, dude, no.
Peter Griffin at work in that one Family Guy episode. My life is
Peter
like
Griffin
Family
at work?
Guy.
Alright,
He
guys.
shit himself.
At least people shot the cores.
Real.
That's the only thing I know about Family Guy is Peter Griffin. He goes,
Hey Lois!
And Quagmire.
yeah.
Quagmire?
that's
Giggity
the-
giggity goo!
Glenn
No,
Quagmire.
I don't
I'm Glenn
know.
Quagmire. I'm Glenn Quagmire.
I don't know what Quagmire is.
Something else.
Oh. Is it like a place?
Oh, like
no.
in Destiny
He's a
2.
character.
Oh my
wait,
god.
it's the area
Oh my
on the
god.
Throne World.
Oh my god, Savathun's Throne World.
It's the area
It's
on the
the he's like the sex addict in Family Guy. That's what he is. Like
Oh,
literally.
also we're cooking.
We are.
That was really
cooking. I kind of cracked out on the damage there.
I also went really hard. Don't
I
say it.
spent 100% of my ammo.
No one
Nuh-uh.
will.
And I
Yeah,
may
I used
not
a lot of
have
ammo
enough
as well.
for...
Alright.
I can shoot
you
cores
have-
if you need.
You have at
You
least
guys-
ammo for cores.
Yes, I have enough
Uh,
ammo to shoot all the cores.
Do
Alright.
you guys think Peter Griffin Family Guy is a real person? 'Cause I don't believe it.
Yeah,
No.
Everyone,
Is it an
yeah,
AI?
hold
I
on.
think it's because he's from Rhode Island and people from
Okay,
Rhode Island
I'll
are
call in a
just-
sec. It's 2-5. It's 2-5. He's going blue.
Okay.
I'm going to 5. Here, you guys go to 2.
Oh my god.
I'm like,
So I
I
let
need-
Cammy take this one, right?
Yeah, you'll let her take.
yeah, don't run
s-
too far ahead because I only have 5 mobility. So if you're running like super far ahead, I'm just not catching up to you.
So take it 8 or like...
It doesn't
just
like just like stay back a bit.
Yeah.
What is my core doing? Oh wait, this is bad. You should be able to hit me.
Uh-oh, guys.
One,
This is not very
What happened?
good. Oh,
three,
there's gonna be a 2 detain. Oh my god.
5,
It's me.
6,
I'm coming.
7,
Hit. What is it going to? 2?
Two.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
What are you at?
7.
Okay.
Where is he going? Where is he going?
Grenade.
Where is he going? He's going orange. It's my bad. There's a lot of ads on orange.
Oh no. Arm.
I think I got it. Yeah, I did. We're good.
Goat.
Okay. Okay.
It is so not Jover, guys.
We got this.
Picking up in 3, 2, 1, 0. Grabbing.
Grab.
It is. It's 4. It's 4-1. 4-1.
Okay.
We're gonna wait to. We'll break at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can shoot.
Okay.
Come out. Thank you. I'm going to 4. Easier.
4-1, you said?
Yep. 1.
2, 3, 4,
Oh, stay back.
6, 7.
Just kill the ads, so don't spawn for me. I'm going to 1, going to 1.
I blocked the ads.
Nice.
Killed the captain.
Alright.
I have well. For once, actually, I have well.
Alright. We got this.
Yeah. There's a lot of ads on orange, but like we don't really care. Oh. Vector's on. Thank you.
Galley's up.
Make sure you just move. Nice. Nice.
Good job, guys.
We did it.
Yeah.
Let's
Let's
go.
fucking go.
Let's go.
Get the fuck off my raid report, Plague, you piece of shit.
We did it, guys. Trio flawless. GG's.
Yeah.
Everyone come
Premier
around.
luck first
Every-
try.
Oh yeah,
everyone
we had,
come
we had to
around.
get
Come around.
we had to go
Come around
for
for the
selfie.
screenshot. Come around for the screenshot.
Do you guys think
Hi.
you'll ever do carries, pretty please?
Oh man.
That's not the right
Isn't that what
emote.
just happened?
Oh,
Surely
I'll
you
do
have
this.
the emote. Surely you have the emote.
Oh,
right?
do you want me to use? Oh wait, I have it
Yeah.
equipped.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. All right. GG's, guys.